Hi everyone, Fabio Santos with another tutorial for your macaco. This time I'm gonna try to take off 2 feet at the same time. Depends each way works best for you, so we're trying this as well. And then we can check and judge. So I want you to try, ideally at the beginning we're going around until we build up the confidence to go all the way over the top. It's still the same principle. Ideally, I wanna be looking to this hand. I'm gonna be sending my leg as high as possible first, but to start with, normally our momentum, and also we tend not to give our 100% at the beginning because we are scared. So you're gonna build it up from sideways. But I'm gonna try as much as possible to push off this way instead of turning the hip. So I'm gonna start low here, and as I place my hand, as same as before, fingers pointing towards the wall, I'm gonna be looking down and I'm gonna send this hand over, even though I'm not gonna touch this hand at all on the floor. But I'm not gonna keep the hand here, otherwise it's dragging my weight this way. I wanna send the hand normally as if I'm gonna touch on the floor. But the start, you probably won't because we were going around first. So the first level here, everything pointing that way, I'm on my toes, I'm gonna push and land sideways, and I'm landing on 2 feet and on my toes. It sounds quite loud because, of course, it's not as heavy as it is. As long as you land on your toes, you're fine, you know, landing feet flat. And I'm gonna build it up the strength. But I'm gonna send it and then lean it to the side. So I'm gonna send it up, and when I lose momentum, that's when I land to the side. And then you gradually bring the leg over and over again. So I land, and one thing, once you get used to it, I don't want you to pause there. Don't pause and it's wandering here. I want to use that momentum going down to launch myself. So here, launch, push it. And note that I'm going further and further around. I landed here first, landed there, now I'm landing here. Eventually, I want to land all the way there. So eventually I want to go here and land it here, in theory. But I'm going to start to go and then land. Look that my hand goes, and then eventually it stays behind me. So I still send this hand up here and land. I'm not forcing to land on this arm to start with. Try that, send me the videos, and then I will help you to break it down in parts to see where we're doing. But focus on not twisting straight away. Don't do this, yeah? Everything there, it starts there. Place the hand, push. I hope that helped. I hope that makes sense. And I see you on the next one.